What is happening? It's your boy TK here, back with another video. We got a German affair going on. Mark 8 Volkswagen Golf GTI. Y'all stay tuned, check it out. Okay everybody, I want to introduce you to Tess Ross. This is her Volkswagen Golf GTI. Tess, what got you liking Volkswagens, especially the Golf?
The performance. They are absolutely fantastic. I could literally drive this anywhere, everywhere. Great gas mileage, just an all-around great car. I love the hatchback. I want to feature my hatchback because, I mean, pa-chow! She does everything I need. It has got more room than I could ever imagine inside of this big O car.
Absolutely.
I absolutely love this interior, not gonna lie. Bolstered plaid seats, touch tectonic steering wheel, touch screen entertainment center, giant info dash, different modes to drive in. I have the carpeted floor mats for it, but they are currently not in it. This is all LED lit up. You've got 14 different lights inside of here that you can customize the colors on. Just all around such a great car. I fell in love with her working for a car dealership, so I had to have one in the future time of my life.
Awesome. Oh, so they're still continuing the 2-liter turbo. You see the turbo in the back. If I recall, what horsepower they rate these at now? I'm assuming they are power bump. 275 now?
275.
Okay. Y'all see it firsthand right there.
22mm turbo.
It's a small turbo, but it gets the job done. I'm assuming it's around 30 plus PSI boost.
Roughly, you can get about 32 PSI sometimes.
There you go. You heard that right. 275 horsepower. This is a beast of a front-wheel drive hatchback. Tess, once again, I appreciate you giving me a ride in your Golf GTI this afternoon. It's such a beautiful day out here.
Perfect day for this.
Great weather for cruising and all that. But just right off the bat, in the current generation Golf, it's so comfortable. I like the attributes from the Mark 7, how comfortable that car was too. But this is just a step up compared to the previous generation.
The bolstered seats.
Yes.
The plaid that's fabric, not the plastic, I call it.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
The different stages or the different scales of fabric they have in here.
Yep, absolutely. That was fun. Tess, I greatly appreciate you giving me a ride in your Golf GTI. I enjoy myself having great conversations, and you tell me all about the car and everything. But the main thing, you love and you enjoy it.
I love my car. Thank you for having me on your channel today and showing off my absolutely wonderful 24 Volkswagen GTI.
Y'all heard it from the horse's mouth, but that's it for today's video. Like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, TK Turbo. I'm out.